Hey guys, it's Kim and I'm here with another Instant Pot recipe for you. My goal is to make 30 recipe videos in the next month or so. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming Instant Pot videos. All my Instant Pot videos are short and sweet, to the point, and make simple family meals. Let's jump into this recipe. It's Moroccan chicken. So the first thing we're going to do is put the Instant Pot on saute. You're going to wait till it turns to hot and then add a little bit of oil to the bottom of your pan or pot. And then you are going to add about 2 pounds of chicken. And before you add the chicken, make sure you cut them up into about 1-inch sized pieces, just easily bite-sized pieces. Next, we'll season the chicken. You add 1 teaspoon of coarse sea salt, followed by 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Then you'll want to stir everything to make sure the salt and pepper is coating all of the meat evenly. And then at this point, we're just going to let the meat cook a little bit so that the sides are no longer pink. This is where cooking it in batches can be beneficial. When you cook it all together, it doesn't really get that browning effect. Next, we're going to add 2 cloves of minced garlic and then 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And then we add a ½ teaspoon of ground ginger. And now you'll just need to mix that all together to make sure the cinnamon and the ginger is coating all of the chicken. So now you want to add about 1 cup of chicken broth. I chose to add a little less than a cup because my chicken released a lot of liquid when I was cooking it. So the final ingredients to add are a ½ cup of dried apricots and a ½ cup of olives. So just give it one final stir and then you're ready to put the lid on. Make sure that it is set to sealing, and then you're going to want to turn off the Instant Pot by pushing the cancel button to take it off of saute. And then we're going to do manual pressure 6 minutes and just double checking that you're on high pressure instead of low pressure. And after the pressure cooking is complete, we're going to do a quick release, meaning we release the steam manually by pushing the valve. And this usually takes 1 or 2 minutes for the steam to completely release. And at that point, you can open up your Instant Pot, and it's great to hook the lid on the side so you don't have to worry about it dripping anywhere. What we're going to do now is remove the chicken from the Instant Pot. It's okay if you scoop out some of the apricots and the olives as well. You can put them back in there, but it doesn't really matter. We're just trying to remove the chicken so it doesn't get overcooked and allow the liquid that's left over to thicken up a little bit. And once you have taken out the chicken, and you're going to want to hit the saute button so that it really helps to reduce the liquid and to make it a little bit thicker. Then you're going to add the juice of 1 lemon as well as the zest of the lemon. So cook that in there until it's thickened up, and then you will add the chicken back in, and that is it. That is how you make Moroccan chicken. And I served this on top of a side of couscous along with some green beans. If you guys are interested in this recipe, make sure you look at the description box below. I have a lot more details as well as the original source for the recipe and more videos like this. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!